video. Today I'm going to show you how you can improve performance on your PS4. To get started, please turn off your PS4 and no, don't turn it off in rest mode. So let's begin. Just press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. That was the first, and now this is the second. So now you wait. You will see a white light. Then you will see on the screen to connect your PS4 controller with your USB cable. That's what we are going to do right now. So plug in your USB. Now I have my controller right here. So here you want to go to the fifth option, reconstruct database. Press OK. This could take up to 5 hours to complete, but if you don't have a lot of games and things, media or so stored on your PS4, it won't take more than 2 minutes. And if you done everything completely right, you will be greeted by this screen. As you can see, mine didn't take as long as some people might think. "30 seconds. "20, 20, 18. And as comparison, I have quite a lot of games and media files on this PS4. I have Cyberpunk, I have Red Dead Redemption and GTA, and a lot of more. After it's done, you should be greeted with the login screen. Just log in. And now I'm going to show you another thing you can do to speed up your performance. Go to settings, all the way to system, and limit the number of apps you see on the screen. Turn it on. And for PS4 Pro users, turn on boost mode. This will help rendering higher details and textures in popular games like Cyberpunk and Red Dead Redemption. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe and like this video. See you the next time.